freelancers, people started getting into real estate sales, anyone that's networking and meeting a lot of people, this is for you, because you can easily just remember how you met them, where you met them. You could put notes in there, and then you can reverse search that, and that's what's really critical.
So Paul, we're sitting down. You've been working on your recall app for about 6 weeks now. The progress is amazing. Let's just jump more into like what your experience has been. You made the app, you got it into the App Store, you got up to number 35 in the utilities category.
Yeah, in productivity in the US.
Yes, that's still pretty impressive.
Yeah,
and you're now like out there, you're starting to market it, you're working on a million different UI ideas. I keep pushing back on you saying you're making
I'm holding back now.
Yeah, okay.
I'm holding back now. I mean, I just want to run over my favorite features.
All right, let's do that. Let's do a quick run through.
For me now, I realize that the app is built on 3 pillars. The first one is I have something called parent mode. It adds a splash of color. That's not a productivity, but it adds something called recall parents, where you can basically start when you meet a parent, you can put in a child's name, and now you can sort by child's name first, which I think is a first. I'm not sure that actually exists. Or you can sort by parents, and you can also sort by, for example, we are in a big co-op here, and there's lots of kids. I can say Hillman, and as you can see, it pulls up the kids that Santo knows from Hillman. PS 187, like whatever school I want to pick up, I can sort by that, or activity, karate, or swimming. So that's one of the pillars. It's now designed for parents.
Now, can you messenger all the parents in that group real quick?
That's the next feature.
Okay.
Then the other pillar is that you meet someone, and I think having a really strong way to give them your information, because meeting people in person is so powerful. I've now got a QR code that is very customizable. It's run on device. There's no service involved. Basically, you can turn the QR code is static, as you can see here, but what isn't is you can go through and say, you know what, I don't want to give that person my phone number, and I don't want to give them my kid's name. Turn that off.
Maybe that's
right.
All right.
So that's static. And then also sometimes you just want to share it the old-fashioned way. The share button is there, and you should be able to share it directly with text. But this moves. The QR code is rock solid; doesn't move. Your options to turn things on and off is not getting in the way of sharing the app, of sharing your information. But you can edit, and I love.
This is a valuable app just with that.
Thank you. I know I've got to push that more. So that's one of the pillars. Parents is the other. And the last one, let's turn parent mode off. Now what we're in is just your standard, very powerful quick mode and then tag mode. So, I've got a shoot coming up in New York, and I need an assistant, and I know that I met someone in 2025 last year. Bang. Claire Wu comes straight up. So that's really the core of it. I've also refined the way it searches now. So if you tap tags, it should reset the whole app now. So you just go tags, it'll just hit tags, it should reset. Yep, that gets rid of anything you've chosen. But this is the new feature you haven't seen. So now I'm just looking, I know Jason, I don't need to know how, I don't need need tags to find Jason. So now I've got this new feature, which basically I can just go bang, Jason Lam.
So you've got it now, or that I'm friends with those other people?
No. All it's doing is just finding anywhere that has, so for example, Queen.
So why did Chris come up?
It's a little bit of a secret sauce of how it's searching.
Okay.
But essentially, when I put in Queenie now, it'll just search for Queenie in any contact, and then it will search for Queenie in tags.
Okay.
So that's actually, I've finally resolved. It's now a very powerful search.
Okay. But you were going through your 3 pillars. You had the QR code, you had the parent mode.
Yeah.
What else?
And then the other one is really just for sort of this is a light CRM, but it's a way for people who need to network, who are power networkers, but they don't want a full CRM. This does sync back to your desktop, and the app does work on the desktop. So this is totally, you could sit on your computer and use it. You can use it on a phone. That's the thing I'll be pushing next. But, freelancers, people started getting into real estate sales. Anyone that's networking and meeting a lot of people, this is for you, because you can easily just remember how you met them, where you met them. You could put notes in there, and then you can reverse search that, and that's what's really critical.
But I think you're bearing one of the big leads, which is that it is a CRM, but it's not using cloud, so you're not risking a company's using your your contacts for marketing data. It's not anywhere else. It's using the Apple's contacts. So it's syncing to your desktop because the Contacts app is on your desktop too. So let's jump away for some technical and features though and talk a bit about like what's the marketing journey been like.
There's two things that happen. I meet someone and my goal is to get them to download it. It's $2. Please download it. And when I show them, I find things that I can improve and fix. So now that I feel like I'm in a sturdy place, the app feels solid, it doesn't crash, it works, it does everything as advertised. Now the hard bit is to get it out into the world. I think the hardest part I've found is to break people's habits and get people using it. And that's why I guess I'm feature adding so that there's a reason to come to the app. And then once you're in there for something else, you will start using it. So my goal really is to find some aspect of creating something in the app that gives it that stickiness so that you're in the habit of using it. And then I think you would pull it out for the QR code. You will, like parent mode. And also, I guess you've also got to get in the habit of entering data. Hence why I've added a little fun extra feature, which is gamifying the swipe, which you don't know, but I'm telling you, we've got now swipe to tag. It's been there for a while, but I've gamified it in that it keeps a tally of your highest score, so you can see the last time you did it, how many you did.
That's a fun little game.
So they're little. So my all-time high is only 10.
Okay.
So these are just little features I'm trying to add to get people using it. But marketing's hard. You just got to stick with it. You're going to find that power user, and that power user is going to create that stickiness and that viral loop. Well, Paul, thanks for taking the time to share the app and the update with us. Any parting words? Use the app. It's great. It works well.
Nice. Well, we're going to do another one of these videos in a few weeks, and this has been fun.
Great. Thank you.